Welcome to the kitchen and this video celebrating wild garlic. I've been out foraging and I've been lucky enough to get this wild garlic, which we're going to turn into a compound butter. I've got my bunch of wild garlic, and once I've prepared it, chopped it up and got rid of the really tough stalk ends, then we'll have around about 50 grams of wild garlic. Alongside that, hiding at the back here, we've got 100 grams of room temperature unsalted butter. So we've got roughly twice as much butter as we have wild garlic. Now I've got just the leaves, we can bunch them all together, and we're just going to finely chop them with our nice sharp knife. And now we chop the wild garlic, we can mix it in with the butter. We can take all of our leaves and put that in with our butter. And then using a spatula, we can just start to mix it all together. And as well, at this stage, while you're mixing, you can also add a good pinch of salt. Make sure that that's all mixed together. I've got 2 sheets of cling wrap that I've put onto the chopping board here. So that's to make it so it's nice and robust for putting into the freezer. And we can take our wild garlic butter and we can simply just spoon this onto the cling film. Trying to get as much of it out of the bowl as possible. And what we want to do is encourage it to be a bit of a sausage shape to begin with. What we then do is lift in both sheets of the cling wrap up. We can lift it over and we want to push it so that it becomes a beautiful cylinder of wild garlic butter, and try and make it so it's roughly the same size all the way along. I can roll it over and then taking the ends, we can twist the ends so that it's nice and tight. We can tie a little knot in the end there. And then twist in the other end as well. And tie a knot in there. You can get a sharp knife and just snip off the excess plastic wrap. And of course, because we're putting this into the freezer, we'll get a Sharpie and we'll just write on it what it is. Wild garlic butter. This is going to go into the freezer for now. If you've got time and you want to stick around, then this is the video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And if you enjoyed this video, then please do hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you would do with your wild garlic butter.